All right, all right. How we doing? How we doing? Welcome to the Spy Lord Show. Appreciate you stopping by. Appreciate you watching. I am a crown trader, one of the teachers over in the Stocks with Josh community in his Discord. If you're looking for a place to be, you don't have any family to trade with or a community that you trade in. If you're looking for help, guidance with day trading, with swing trading, with learning options, with learning charting, with learning everything about trading. Say you're brand new, you don't know anything. You want to start investing. You need to learn. You need to be around a pro community that knows what's going on. So I'm going to check out the top link when you hit the description in this video. Right after you hit that big old thumbs up and the like button, the subscribe button, hit those for me. Leave me a comment. Say, hey Mike, what's going on? Hey Mike, I like your hat. Hey Mike, anything. Say hi. It helps push the video with interaction and things like that. I would really appreciate it. I always read the comments. And so if you're looking for a place to trade, hit the description. It's going to be the top link in the description. You're going to come over there and find an amazing community, people that's going to help you, like-minded traders. And we're making money on a daily basis. We're into also crypto. So if you're into crypto, it's the place to be. It's the place to be. Stocks with Josh community, Stocks with Josh Discord. Come over, give us a check. Check us out. Give us a try. See what you think. Promise you won't be disappointed. I'm also a coach there, and I do one-to-one coaching. That email's in the description. If you need a platform, you got Webull. We have TradingView. We have Blowfin for crypto in there. So check everything out in the description. Hook you up with what you need, all the tools that you need. And I also do one-to-one coaching over there. So give me a shout. Give me an email on there if you're interested in coaching. I'd be glad to help you. I'm going to hop into a couple charts. This is a swing trade that I don't really do a ton of, but it's not my strong suit, I don't think, but I still do some. And we've been working on this now for a few weeks. This is Serv Robotics, and they had a big drop off. I think back here around, was it December or something? I think they got attached in with Nvidia. Nvidia dumped them for some reason. I don't know what it was, and they had a huge sell off. From up here at $24 almost. Huge sell off. All the way down to $4. Now, I'm not going to tell you I caught $4 because I didn't. But what I did catch was this pattern here called a cup and handle. And if you check this out, it just looks like a big old cup. And this is your handle now forming. And these are very bullish. Very bullish. So we're looking really a similar move to the last one. If you check that out, what happens. So this is a long hold for me. Holding this one. We had a good day today though. If we go look, let's check out a 10-minute chart here. Serv opened up pretty strong today. We had our pre-market lows down in here. Never even got to test them today. Let's go to a 5-minute chart. It's what I like to chart on. Now, this is just a quick overview, kind of a little quick setup we do. We mark our pre-market highs and our lows. We mark our morning market highs and lows. I always make these different colors, y'all. Get rid of that yellow one now. This is our first, second, third candle. So this candle was opening range breakout today, this one candle. And we stayed range bound for a little while. We finally got over this 1140 area. Been watching it for a while. We've been accumulating this over in the Discord. If you've been with me and following me, we've been accumulating this in this range. We've been in a range, guys. This is consolidation here. I've been buying this as close as I can to $10 and getting a good average. If I put this rectangle on here for you, you're going to see this big area of consolidation here, right? Real big area of consolidation. This is a range here. Last time we broke out of it, we were not able to continue up to 12.30. I can't remember what my average is. It's getting close to $10 now. Anyways, we had a breakout today. When we broke a little smaller range we've been in for the past since last week, somewhere in this neighborhood. There we go. You can see, if you're a breakout trader, we wait for the breakout, right? This was a good breakout today, over $11. So I and the family and everybody that's followed me, we are well up in profit now. So what do we do? What are we going to do? My idea for this is pretty simple. I'm going to set a stop loss order on my orders. If you're not familiar with that, you can put an order in on your shares that you're holding or option contracts that you're holding. And if it drops to that mark, it'll kick you out and save you from a loss, right? So we can set a stop loss at break even, which for me I think is around $10. That's where I've been getting my buys between 11 and 10. I'm closer to the 10 range, and now we're looking pretty. So if this thing, looking for it to come up and break over $13.50, maybe even the $14 range up in this neighborhood, and once we clear that, we're going to be sitting real pretty. Just getting up to it's going to be sitting pretty. So we can judge it when it gets there on the daily time frame. We're going to flip over and look at the oscillators now. It shows us momentum and direction. And if you'll see, this is what I've been hoping for this MACD, this blue line here, to make its way down towards the center of the histogram here. It's called the zero line. We had that cross down and a big sell-off, right? Now it found its way to what's called the zero line. And if we zoom in real big here, we're about to cross up on this. This is a very bullish indicator. The RSI, I've been teaching this for a few weeks now. Normally, the RSI precedes the MACD cross up, right? If we look back to between the 14th and 15th here, the RSI gave us the cross up over this yellow signal line. Next thing to happen is the MACD crosses up. Now, the MACD crosses up on a daily time frame. It's a very bullish indicator, especially being over the zero line. So just a quick tip on the MACD. There are a few signals on the MACD. The red and green bars are called the histogram. These bars and these bars, those are the histogram. Maybe I should change that color. Can we make it pink or something like that, maybe? Or orange? Anything that sticks out. There we go. So these, all these bars here, this is the histogram. when this blue line, the MACD, crosses the orange line, the signal line, it creates a signal, right? Now, when that happens, it's generally telling you there's a reversal possible that could happen. And if you see, this is what's called bullish divergence. We have upward direction now on the MACD, upward direction, increasing momentum on the RSI. See that? And price began to flatten out down here, right? And gave us that move up. When it went through, the second signal is when this blue line makes its way through the center point of the histogram, the 0 line. That is another signal, a very bullish signal. When it makes its way through that 0 line, it is very explosive normally. And as you see, this went from $6.50 to $14, so over 100% move. So now here we are back again, getting our cross up in a more bullish stance, being not all the way down here in bear territory, but we're basically in bull territory now, flipping up on the MACD. So we want to see some continuation here on the RSI. We want to see this blue line cross the orange line on the MACD, and we want to see price action increase. So that all those three together is what I'm looking at. That's a daily time frame. So daily time frame packs a lot of weight and packs a punch like Iron Mike. And yeah, I'm keeping a track on this one, keeping an eye on it. And hopefully this is going to be a good winter for us. It's already a good winter for us. We can't lose now. We set our stop loss either in profit or at break even, and we can't lose because we got a good entry. We did it right? Let's flip over to the SPY for just a second. This is mostly my main thing I trade, that I day trade on for the community each day. Just a little overview today. The SPY had a big old dip here, but it also ripped right back up. A lot of strength at this level. If you remember, if you're in the Discord, about a week ago I called this level. Look at there. 618, baby. So I called that move that day. I can't say I caught this one today. I missed it, but the line was right. This was a great move back up. We really, really, really need to break back over 625. 625 highs from back here on Monday. We can do that. Then we can take another stab at 628. That's how we're leaning. That's how we're looking. It is sort of range bound right now between 618 up to 628 at the top of the range. I don't want to lose 615 is the last thing I looked at yesterday, I believe. So that's kind of a line in the sand for me right there. 615, 615.20. I don't want to lose that. 618 has held as support really nice 2 times. So we're going to see if that holds. I think we got some bank earnings coming up. And let's check the MACD right quick. We do have a cross down on the MACD, but it's over top of the 0 line. So we're still kind of in bullish territory. That candle has a huge buying wick on the bottom of it. We'll see what happens. It's Wednesday. 2 more days this week left. See what's going on tomorrow. We will reassess in the morning, get our pre-market levels and all that good fun stuff. If you need a place to come trade with me. Come trade with the Stocks with Josh community. Josh is live Wednesday, Friday. I'm there with him on those 2 days. And then I'm live Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. We're very consistent. We're for beginners and seasoned traders. We're very conservative, but there's plenty of plays, plenty of money to be made, and the biggest thing is the education that you're going to get there. It's an education community. It's what we do, and that's what I do. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing I say means to buy, sell, or hold. So this is just for education and entertainment. All right. I love you. Peace. I appreciate the heck out of you. Hit that like button for me. Hit the subscribe if you've not already. And I will see you in the next one.